Today we slow cooking Greek lemon beef. To start, we fix him up some patatas. Chop him up 4 carrots. It's good you eat your vegetables. Get some onions, slice them. Now get your garlic and mince them all up. You can't have it too much garlic. Get your lemons, clean them up how many you're needing. Cut them, squeeze in the juice 1 cup. Roughly 150 ml. Get him your beef. I'm using the neck. It's going more soft for the slow cooking. Now cut him some pieces and make them a little bit smaller in your hands. In 1 pot, put inside some Greek olive oil. Turn him on the gazi. And when he's hot, we put the meat inside. Turn them a couple times. And take them out when it's got a color. Add inside your carrots. Now put the rest of your vegetables, mix them, and leave them cooking a couple minutes. White wine. Put him inside. Add your meat and vegetables. Mix it with some salt, pepper, oregano, a little bit thyme, and half a teaspoon cinnamon on the top. Get your patatas, put in the meat, and a little bit more salt, pepper, oregano. Add the juice, the lemons, put inside your beef stock, and 2 cups Greek water. Put inside some rosemary, couple bay leaves. When he's kind of boiled, turn him down the heat, put him the lid, do your cross the top, now leave him simmer couple hours. Take him off the lid, have 1 check. Move him round a little bit. Now leave him finish off another half an hour. When she's thick and ready, we turn it off. Serve her with anything you're needing. Get some meat, little bit vegetable, and always a little bit more juice to the top. Look how soft she is. She's bloody beautiful, mate.